Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your Firestick model and grabbing the right powered Ethernet adapter and a CAT5E or CAT6 cable. This ensures reliable gigabit-capable links. Once you have the adapter, plug the cable into your router and the adapter into the Firestick's USB power port or USB-C, then attach the Firestick. As you connect, make sure your router's LAN port is active. This avoids IP conflicts. Once done, open Settings to view network status so you know the cable is recognized. Now you'll configure the network and ensure stable power. Plug the adapter into the Firestick's power source rather than relying on the TV USB port when possible, because consistent 5V supply prevents dropouts. Then go to Settings, select Network and pick Wired. Fire TV should show an IP and gateway, which confirms connectivity. If your network uses static addressing or custom DNS, select Advanced and enter the values. Make this change to avoid slow name resolution or double NAT issues before finish by testing actual streams and handling common problems. Play a high bitrate 1080p or 4K video to confirm throughput and check for buffering. If playback falters, restart the router, the powered adapter, and the Firestick in that order to refresh leases and ports. If wired doesn't show up, swap the Ethernet cable and try a different LAN port to rule out hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure the adapter is externally powered and the router hasn't exhausted DHCP leases, which often causes no IP issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.